Oh, hi there! Welcome to another episode of the Okanagan Gardener and Forager channel. Today we're going to be telling you about our results from our 2-week trial of Burdock decoction, Burdock tea. But first, we'll insert, I don't know what you call it, but us drinking tea! Cheers. So how it went for week 1 was, to be honest, quite encouraging. What I was looking at and monitoring was my changes or any improvements in pain, the so-called rheumatism, pain in muscles, joints, and cartilage, or connective tissue, sorry. And also what I was interested to see was if I noticed any changes in acne, some acne that I get. So the first week I did think I saw a reduction in acne, some less pimples. And the second week was kind of no real change from there. I still had a couple blemishes, but so the first week I did see a change, the second week not really so much. What I thought was the most encouraging was the improvements to the pain that I have, because I have quite a bit of hip and back pain that I've had for years, and I do think I noticed some reduction, and I didn't change much about what I'd been doing. I do exercises throughout, and so that was pretty steady, but I felt like there was less pain in my hips and back overall. What was dramatic for me was I've had this shoulder pain for like months, and I don't even know where it came from, but it was quite sharp at times. And in the first week I was really just paying attention to any changes in my back and hips. And then after a few days I thought, oh, what about my shoulders? And then I moved them, and there was no pain, which was very encouraging, and that's continued. So, the results I think aren't super dramatic, but my shoulder pain is still like gone, and the other positives continue. So I don't know what I would say is, it's not a miracle drug or anything like that, but I was quite pleased with it, so we went back and I've harvested more burdock, and we're going to continue on, maybe not 2 or 3 times a day, but continue on with maybe 1 a day and keep going with it. Well, hi there, Mrs. Okanagan Gardener and Forager. This is our end of our 2-week trial with Burdock tea decoction. So how did the trial go for you?
Well, I was hoping I could come on here and be like, I've got the miracle cure for eczema, drink Burdock tea. But to be honest, after the 2 weeks, I had to get a prescription for ointment because I've been dealing with eczema on and off for months. So for me, I don't know, the results were inconclusive. When we looked in Jimmy's books, it said that it could take weeks or months. And to be honest, I just needed some relief. So I still plan to drink Burdock tea, and I really hope that it helps my health. But I also want to be drinking raspberry leaf tea and dandelion root tea and coffee. So I don't think I'll be drinking it 3 times a day, because I literally be drinking all day. So yeah, for me, I would say I'm going to keep drinking it. I like it. I feel like it tastes very similar to coffee. A couple times in the morning I had it before my morning coffee, and I felt like I could maybe even skip my coffee, but I'm not crazy, so I didn't do that. And yeah, so I'm hoping to keep drinking it. I'm going to be drinking raspberry leaf tea too, and hoping to drink dandelion root tea, so it'll be hard to say like what the benefits are from each, but I definitely feel like incorporating these teas that we harvest ourselves is going to only improve our health. So yeah.
Did you notice any other changes or anything else that you were paying attention to?
Like I've started working out again and I feel a lot more energy. I don't know if that's because I'm over a year postpartum or if that's the Burdock tea helping. Yeah.
Thank you. So those are our 2-week results, and you know, it's only 2 weeks, so we'll keep using the Burdock tea and see how it goes going forward. It might take some time to see results. You know, the clearing up of skin conditions might take some time to, you know, clear out the blood and then clear out the liver, kidneys, and other things to help eliminate some of those toxins that could be causing skin problems. So, you know, we'll keep going and see how things go in the future. And, you know, the results are somewhat inconclusive, but results are results in my opinion, and there's still a lot of value in that. So overall, I think it was, you know, a successful little experiment. So if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up, maybe leave a comment, and consider subscribing. And what I would say that I think is kind of cool about trying things like this is taking control of your own health. And so, you know, taking a weed and turning it into something that might make us healthier. Anyway, thanks for watching.